Hello, my name is Stanley Rilus. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install TeamViewer. TeamViewer is a very good program. You can use it to access to your computer remotely at home, at school. Someone can use it to connect to your computer to do a job for you. It's a very good program. So first, I have to open my browser. I have Google Chrome and I have Microsoft Edge, but I'm gonna use Microsoft Edge. I open it. Okay, and there I type download TeamViewer. Download TeamViewer. I click enter on my keyboard. Okay, there I have many links, but I'm gonna use the official website. I click on it, teamviewer.com. okay, I click on it. Okay, there in this page I click on download for free. Okay, download for free. I am waiting. I am still waiting. Okay, there I have three options: run, save, and cancel. I press on save, and after I press on run. Okay, after on the program I have two sections: how do you want to proceed and how do you want to use TeamViewer. In the first section I gonna tick this box, basic installation. In the second section I gonna check personal use, non-commercial use. I check it and I click accept, finish. There I press on yes, and now TeamViewer is installing. I am waiting the installation to be completed. Okay, now TeamViewer is installing. Down of the page I click here. Look at. Okay, I open TeamViewer, and if someone want to connect to your computer, you will need the ID and the password. Here is the ID and here is the password. So it's all for today. Don't forget to share this page and subscribe.